Hello friends, my name is Anurag. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, the Samsung released a new phone in M series, the Samsung Galaxy M31s mobile. I will give full information of the mobile phone. Let's see. In the box there is a mobile phone, SIM ejector tool, documentation and 25-watt fast charger and also USB Type-C cable. Guys, they upgraded the charger of 25-watt fast charger. In fact, they prevent in previous mobile 15-watt fast charger only. Now they upgraded the charger. Let's check the build quality of the mobile phone is. The backside of the mobile phone is a plastic bag and weight of the mobile phone is 203 grams and thickness is 9.3 mm. The Samsung maintain the thickness of the mobile phone. Very nice. Let's see the ports and buttons of the mobile phone. Downside there is a 3.5 mm jack, USB Type-C port, speaker grill, microphone. Right hand side there is a volume rocker up and down, power on off button, the side mounted fingerprint sensor and face unlock also, and secondary microphone. Left side of the mobile phone is triple card slot. So guys, the Samsung given a nice display is Infinity O display and the 6.5 FHD plus Super AMOLED display with the 60Hz refresh rate and the resolution of the display is 2400 into 1080 pixel, and they given a protection of Gorilla Glass 3 protection. So guys, let me talk about the OS. OS is based on Android 10 on One UI 2.0. The performance of the mobile phone is Exynos 9611 2.3 GHz clock speed and the chipset is based on 10nm. But the Samsung provided old processor of Exynos 9611. If the Samsung provide a nice processor to this phone, then it's become a good phone. And the storage type is UFS 2.1 and the RAM type is LPDDR4X RAM. And there is a two variants, 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 128GB. And there is a GPU Mali G72 MP3 support, and also there is a wide one L1 support and Google Cam support. You can play normal games. So guys, the main camera is 64 megapixel and the 12 megapixel is ultra wide 123 degrees and the 5 megapixel is micro and 5 megapixel is depth sensor. And there is an LED flashlight, HDR support and 4K video recording at 30 fps and 1080p video recording at 30 fps, and also there is an EIS support. There is a night mode, single take, slow motion, portrait mode, and there is a good feature of single take, get up to 10 photos and videos output with the one single take. And the selfie camera is 32 megapixel and the sensor is used Sony IMX682, and we can record at 4K video recording at 30 fps and 1080p video recording at 30 fps. And there is a night mode, slow motion at 120 fps, and also a single take 10 photos and videos in different filters. So guys, let's talk about the battery. The battery capacity is 6000 mAh battery. It is a big battery and with the support of 25-watt fast charger in the box, and there is a feature of reverse charging support. And the price of the mobile phone I have given in the description box. Check it out. Please like, share and subscribe my Neon Techno World channel and press the bell icon for latest updates and comment below.